For the new people here, welcome. Other than building cars and motorcycles, I make garage art as a side hobby. Here is something I made with a broken down bike I found in a dumpster. It's to date my strongest garage art conversational piece. Everyone takes a pause and second looks before they figure it out. It's a bike, and this is how it was done. Pulled this out of a dumpster, was a complete bike but cut up in many places. Maybe someone got frustrated and took it out on a bicycle, don't know. But I had something in mind on what it could be. Let's get started. Wanted to tackle the seat first. Since it was dirty and faded, just ugly looking, I then cleaned it up and used a rattle can satin white to make it look pretty again. When the seat was dried, I then taped the entire seat with masking tape. Here I'm drawing out an animal skull. Use good old Google to get ideas. Carefully cut out your design. This part you will need to be very careful not to cut through the seat. Next I used a rattle can gloss silver and some brown water-based paint. You would want to spray the silver first, let it dry, then add a little brown to give it that real look effect. Let dry, peel back the tape and go back with the brown paint and give it more finesse. And voila, seat is done. Now moving along to the handlebars, I wanted a brown look to it. I ended up going onto the Jungle website and ordered handlebar wrap and a set of grips for peanuts on $1. I'd say, the look came out terrific. Got the seat and handlebars done and aside. I needed a base, found a piece of plyboard laying around. I think it's 3/4 or 1/2 inch thick. Anyhow, I made a simple design and cut it with a not so powerful dull-bladed jigsaw. Then used a router to make the edge pretty. Next step is staining and clearing. Just pick a color that tickles your fancy, rattle can clear and let dry. Now you can make the handlebar post and the seat. Drill 2 holes through it and through the wood and mount it to a wall. All in all, this came out better than I thought. This looks great in any garage, man cave, or just place it next to your sleeping wife and film that wake up reaction. If you like this video, or if you don't, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. You won't want to miss the next video on what I do with a box of scrap engine pistons.